This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing weekly technical analysis in gold, US dollar currency pairs. We'll start the analysis from weekly time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and I'll be highlighting the current trend of the price action and present support and resistance levels. Use it as a reference for deciding on your trading plans. When we look at the economical events calendar for Monday, we have a high impacting news planned on New Zealand dollar at 4:15 am, and we have bank holiday for Japan, and we have tentative medium impacting news planned at 5:45 pm for British pound related currency pairs. Otherwise, we don't have any high impacting news that is going to create high volatility in gold on Monday. Let us begin our analysis. So I am in weekly time frame now. When we look at the overall price action from the weekly time frame perspective, so from here it started falling on a bearish trend reversal, and we can notice that the price action traveled up to the level of 1679. Then we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side and to retrace nearer to the previous high, and currently the price action is in a bearish trend, retracing back to the previous support level in the weekly time frame. So the current trend of the price action is only in a retracement, and it is in a bearish trend. And as long as the price action doesn't break this support level of 1679, it will be only considered as a retracement, and it is in a sideways price action. But once the price action breaks this support level, it will be a bearish trend reversal in weekly time frame. In the past, we have noticed a price action's bodies to close near to the support level of 1701, then the price action bounced back on the bullish trend reversal. And currently also we are noticing the wicks of the price action to touch this support level, and it has not fully broken this support level of 1701. So looking at the past price action, we can consider this whole area to be a very strong support zone. So for now it is very clear that this whole area between 1701 and 1679 is going to be a very strong support level in weekly time frame. What will happen if the price action breaks this support level? Because we are noticing the price action to strongly come on a bearish trend reversal. Let us look at the bigger picture in weekly time frame. If this support between 17,000 to 1680 is broken, then we can expect a bearish trend to start. And when we look at the overall pattern formation, we are noticing a double top pattern being formed. So this support level will be acting as the neckline of the double top pattern. Once this neckline is broken, we can expect a further fall. Next level of support is going to be around 1456, where it will be retracing 100% from where it started its bullish trend. So if you want to take trades on the bearish side, wait for the price action to break this support level, then you can confidently go on a bearish side trades. And if the price action doesn't break this support level, we can expect the price action to bounce back on the bullish trend reversal. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I am in daily time frame now. Again in daily time frame, I am going to draw a bearish channel pattern connecting all the highs and lows. So looking at this bearish channel pattern, the current price action is still in a bearish trend, and we know from the weekly time frame that this zone between 1700 to 1680 is a very strong support zone, and currently we are noticing the price action to momentarily test this support level and to form a indecision candle. Whenever this sort of candles are formed near to the support level, there are chances for the price action to bounce back from this support level. In the past also, when we notice a price action, we have noticed it to bounce back from this support level after forming a indecision candle. So coming week we can expect little bit of retracement from this support level. It is not a trend reversal, it will only be a retracement. And if the price action breaks this support level also, next level of support from the weekly time frame is going to be around 1680. So we can expect the price action to test the support level and to bounce back on the bullish retracement. Only when the price action breaks the support level, it will be a bearish trend reversal in daily time frame as well as in weekly time frame, because we have noticed a price action to bounce back from this support level on the bullish retracement. So there are more chances for the price action to bounce back from this support level in the future also. But I would not recommend you to trade at this zone over here. Wait for the price action to clearly give a breakout on the bearish side or to bounce back on the bullish side in order to make a proper directional trade. Don't enter into the trade at this level over here. If the price action breaks with a high volume like this with a longer bearish candle, then it is a confirmation of the price action going on a bearish trend reversal. High volume is required to break a long-term supports. So these are all the resistance levels in daily time frame if the price action retraces on the bullish side. It has to break this resistance line and also this mid line in order to trend further on the bullish side retracement. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame now. I have drawn one more bearish channel pattern over here, and currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this resistance line and to trend on the bearish side. Again we have noticed a price action to take support on the bearish channel pattern trend line or the support line, and also we have the higher time frame support level which is around 17,000, which is also a psychological support. The present price action is consolidating around this support zone. So we can expect little bit of retracement to start from this support area in order to gather enough momentum to break this support zone with high volume. So if the retracement continues also, we can expect it to take resistance on the bearish channel pattern resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish side trend. As long as the price action is trading below this resistance line, it will be considered as a bearish trend in 4 hours time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. We can clearly notice that the price action has tested this 4 hours time frame support line and it is bouncing back from this support line. On the bottom also we have the daily time frame support line running over here. It has momentarily tested this daily time frame support line. So we can notice the price action to bounce back from this support line. So I would recommend you to draw trend lines or resistance lines like this to understand the current price action. And here we can clearly notice that it has broken this resistance line and we are noticing a green candle being formed above this support line, which is a sign of start of the bullish side retracement. And also when we look at the price action, it is forming similar to an double bottom pattern. So wait for the price action to break this neckline which is around 1716 in order to get the confirmation on the double bottom pattern formation. Once you get the confirmation, you can take trades on the bullish side retracement. We can expect it to retrace up to the 100%, which is going to be around 1745. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for hourly time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for hourly time frame. Currently we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this support level of 1700. It is also a psychological support. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here we have the hourly time frame trend line or the support line, and currently in 30 minutes time frame also we are noticing the price action to bounce back from this support line on the bullish side retracement. And if the bullish trend continues, we can expect it to take resistance on the resistance level of 1716. And if the price action breaks the previous high, we can expect the bullish retracement to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Overall, the price action in 30 minutes time frame is actually consolidating or trading within this resistance and support line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. If you are still watching this video, press that like button to show your support to my video analysis. So the values within this blue color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I'm in 5 minutes time frame. When we look at the price action in 5 minutes time frame, from this level it has started trending on the bullish side, and I'm drawing one more resistance line from the level of 1716. It started trending on the bearish side, and in the past we have noticed the price action to test this resistance line and to bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. Again we are noticing the price action to trend on the bullish side. So it has to break this resistance line in order to continue its bullish side retracement in 5 minutes time frame. So the current price action in 5 minutes time frame is also trading within a triangle pattern. Wait for the price action to give a directional breakout on the bullish side or on the bearish side to take a directional trades. And we have the hourly time frame support line running over here. It has to break this support line in order to continue its bearish side trade in 5 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this black color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 5 minutes time frame. Since this is a 5 minutes time frame, we are seeing a multiple trends. So always follow the higher time frame trends in order to get a better profit. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.